nong rep puli. Seman bergrom kibru ki cita jauh kiam kasira kuliang bersara pertabuna to inum nau pati wa kwai. Te hakayam kiam to te wadai wa ki pati kwai. Te mandara lagi ni pati sayang dak lembai. Te em pati ke wa chami ni dawa kini ki mau ki bobon wan ki na asam na kayau kalan ni na asam wan ki kini ki mau ki bobon kong pati ko pa lang ba kali ni ki semua kalan ni tai poi ki na asam na kalan cha la lembai te kini ki mau ki wan ni tai bar ta ko ya kini ki lokal no ki lokal no i ni ba wa saksi dor ki hado kai sab di tang bai kali plus ada bai kaca pati plus ka wa sumamuri pati kai pati kam tu la pati mungkin kursi tendre kajin saksi ki man ko kajin dolong so pro kate kate kini ki pli ku imza ki thai ki na ki imza na uni pati wa kwai te gi wa ka kam sil kun sno ni to ko kini ki ti ya to ki nom re ne ki nom ki lo kan ni mati te kam chole ya tourism kama em ka budget tourism yang ga house wa ala kun snya wa ha ka time ka su su yang i ko yang na em ki thau ki pakki ne chno ki kam ka sana perdi cemplong basra ki thau ki banya kemarin wa isu te wa ala quest ke council how em ka budget te kam jole upak lang ya tham ko yang i ni pha ko ka te ni ka thau chno ki man ki kam tu wa i mukam ka te ka jin sentok kun sini ne kun tu upuku i ni ki jole spot yang i wa kam jole request le yo upak lang dan yang identify lang ni kelas lang ya kini ki tourism yo unku hato na ko konstituensi yang i ni ba hato kun sini hato bu ki te cement factory wa em rekam jole kemarin ko isu ko net wa em lang gai te kan jo ha kini ka discussion ko berarti kuat kelam kalau kerja sendiri tidak mengenai hukum cement plant. ORM kawan development kami ini le ya kijing mentoi ya i senang tahu. Kamu nak kata betul. Walau di cement plant ORM aku anak ko ilika ORM senaki hati hukum dan yang prosedur ya udang kami hukum. Yang mana dah pun jingluki dan senang hak. Kat dia di guru yang ngaji saya, marjan senang kamu senang cerupi, tang sekaya wa ajar. Waktu kini senang marjan, dapat lagi. Ni bentar kini pum. Wadah kita apa yang kuat kian di guru. Nanti yang kisem dapat dulu pum sendak dan hi mangkas ni saya yang hiu pukul. Hadur cakap lu dari pum kami dari ni cement plan mangkas ni. Ni yang kita guru nak ko antang yang development. Upaya kecapai ini, henry hawan di development, akan kuat tak boleh dijadikan dulu buat kebetulan masa itu. Kemudian untuk yang council, ubah dengan cingkia, buat treatment plan untuk biang yang treatment plan, kita biang kenang light, lagi pum kita hair, potensi, ya kemarin kami sudah yang kecil kita perlu. There's a point also, what the last of kuat, lama kini discussion tu, the job placement. Nenek kaki kerek hadi cement plants. After receiving the details of the non-tribal employees, it was found that 90% of these laborers are employed in cement plants. A lot of people who have completed their degrees, their masters, and their qualifications in various qualifications, they were left to stay without jobs, while the non-locals from other states enjoy benefits of getting jobs in our areas. So, when we accept these cement plans or these developments, we also expect the employment of our people. As the questions I've asked from the council, is there any terms and conditions? I've seen there are no terms and conditions. So, maybe I will discuss with my people in Kolkata. But as of now, I would like to request the council, because as a matter of fact, 70% of the workers is in favor of non-locals, and only 30% is for the locals, including all indigenous people. So, as we are expecting council would be a shield to protect us, to protect our people, to protect our identity, and to protect exploitation, in job exploitation. I would like to request and urge the council to use its power to give the opportunities to our local people, local influence people, to be able to get jobs in these cement plants, which our people is eligible in various departments. And to urge for the interest of local interest people before issuing further non-tribal employee service license to any non-tribals from other states, but to give chance and opportunities for our local people, because unemployment is rising, and if we are not able to give them jobs in government jobs, at least give them opportunities and a chance to get jobs in these private cement limiteds. So we are expecting that the council will take care of it, and also to look after the welfare of our people, Zanjir people as a whole. And furthermore, I would like to address the council that the people of these Zanjir Hills are facing problems while applying landholding certificates to Jawai, because it is very far. So I would like if the council could give us a provision in period for these Zanjir Hills to apply the landholding for the revenue. It will be much better for the people of these Zanjir Hills, especially from those remote areas of our place. So Mr. Chairman, this is all I have to say. Thank you so much. I would like to request all the members to please look after our own people, think of their own people. The revenue, we may get the revenue from different collections, but what will happen to our people if we don't give them the opportunities? So thank you so much, Mr. Chairman. Thank you so much, all the members. I wish you much success.